Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Morgan's Report from the main man Morgan, myself and Rob.
Too cute.
Yes. Too cute, guys, like he's got Mr. So Cute. Hello. Yes, you are too cute. Here at Balcurvie Junction. So, firstly, I do want to say we've had Pete of DELPH Junction reach out to us.
Major thanks to him.
And the heater obviously wants to have its input. But just to let us know that Lauderdale is a little bit under the weather at the moment. He's obviously a big part of the community, but he is going to be taking a bit of time to look after himself. And obviously the good lady Barbara is laying down the rule that he should be looking after himself, I'm sure, with plenty of bacon baps and tea and biscuits as well.
And she does make very nice bacon baps.
Yes. But Lauderdale, I'm sure everyone else as well, of which you guys can obviously put in the comments, do wish you all the best, and we hope to see you again soon. And a big thanks obviously to Pete for passing it on as well. There's a big thing we did say about the community a while ago is we do notice when people aren't around, so as long as maybe just tell one person if you're under the weather, you know, you're taking time away from social media, that way the community doesn't worry. So thanks to both of them again. We've also taken a delivery this week on our members and patrons. We were talking about the mountain and the bottom bit being 3 tracks. Now, Chris of Valleys 56 has sent us a laser cut 3-rail tunnel, not 3-rail, 3-track tunnel. So that's come in post. Unfortunately, it must have got a bit wet. We know what posties are like, guys. So the other side of this one is a bit broken, but luckily with it being laser cut, we can just glue it back and it should be.
That wasn't because it was wet, that was just pure mishandling.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, was it wet the other side then?
The envelope was wet. What was dry? What was it inside was dry. It was
okay.
just mishandled.
But we can fix it up. It's the other side of this bit, so just a bit of glue and it will be fine once it's up with the support. But anyway, for this week, what's he looking at?
No idea.
For this week, we are going to be looking at electrifying up the bridge. Now, we've noticed in the last few weeks, it is more of a pain because of the fish plates, damage being done to fish plates and the track. So we just want to get that bit finally electrified up, just so we can just literally put it down, connect it up, and the electrics will be there. So Rob's going to be doing that. I might be just doing a little bit of a bridge, just with some basic things, and that's where we're at. I don't think we've got any announcements.
No, as I say, major thanks to Pete for taking the time to phone me to let us know about Lauderdale. Lauderdale, we send you our love. Everybody, please drop a comment below, and it's not about helping our algorithm. Please drop a comment below, wishing her all your best.
Oh, and our love to Lady Barbara as well, of course. So yes, on that, I think we're going to head off, and we will see you guys at weekend. Bye for now.